Hello everyone, welcome to VLSI Academy. This is fifth lecture and today we will discuss about conditional statements in Perl. Consider a case where employees are classified based on their salary. If the salary is greater than 10,000 then it will be tagged as manager, and if it is lesser than 10,000 then you have to tag it as staff. So to write such a code, first we will declare the variable salary based on which you have to classify, and then if condition is written something like this: if the salary is greater than 10,000 then print employee is manager. So here we have taken this example just to give you the idea how the syntax looks like for if condition in Perl, which is very similar to how we write in C. Now else if condition is something like this, where else if salary is lesser than 10,000 then you have to print employee is staff. Here you just have to note else if condition, it is ELSIF, not ELSEEIF. So E is missing here, which is very peculiar to Perl. Now moving on, Perl has a very peculiar feature which is different than other platform, and that is unless condition, which means that it will execute the statement if it evaluates to false, and it will not execute and it will exit out if the evaluation of the statement is true. So let's say you have a variable 22. So for example, if you want to put unless condition with this condition, that variable lesser than 20, and if you put the condition to print this statement, so it will evaluate this, and 22 is lesser than 20, this is false, so it will go inside it and it will print. And if it is true then it will not go inside it. So strictly speaking, it is actually if along with not statement. So it will evaluate to false, and if it is false then it will go inside. Let us move on to very commonly used switch statement, which is present in all platforms with almost similar functionality everywhere. For using the switch statement in Perl, first you have to declare the switch statement, and this is the variable based on which we will choose between the different cases which we have to consider. So let's say we have a array and we have a hash. Now this is the switch statement syntax where you have to declare this variable inside the parenthesis after the switch, and with this parenthesis we will start our switch statement. So, and first case is case 10. So case 10, if it matches, the variable matches to this value, then it will print number 100. If the variable matches to a, it will print string a. If the variable matches to this list, it will print number in discontinuous list. And if the variable value matches to this array, then it will print number in array list. If the variable value matches to hash, it will print entry in hash. If none of them matches, then it will print else condition. So in C you will have default here. Here it is else in the Perl, and this is the parenthesis close of this switch statement. So since our value is 30, so it will go and it will check it is not 30, it is not 30, it does not fall inside this list also, but it will be array, and array is this 10, 20, 30, so it is present here, so it will go here and number in array list will be printed. Let us now explore some of the commonly used control statements which comes very handy while writing a program and helps the programmer to write a program easily and efficiently. So here are some of them. Next statement will skip the remainder of the loop and goes back to the beginning of the loop, while last statement will exit the loop and hand over the execution to the statement after the loop. Redo statement will restart the loop again with the previously tested condition. Goto statement transfers the program control to a particular label or expression, just like C programming. That's all for this video. We have provided you the basic idea and we will see their usage in the real life examples later on. In next video, we will see the different loops and their examples in the Perl. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel and let us know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.